HD, full HD, 2K, but now 4K resolution. Okay, now this comes from a brand that has an 83% high customer satisfaction rating. The brand that's been trusted by the world's most famous automakers. The first 4K dash cam from Thinkware. Introducing U1000. So, what's so different about this dash cam compared to the others? 24 days of long parking mode. You can still go on a trip for a couple of weeks and come back, and this thing will still record every impact on your car. It can even communicate with smartphones, showing live view right on the screen. You can even find your car location, and it's updated every 10 seconds. Ha! Not so normal, it's a very special dash cam. We've been waiting for this dash cam for a long time, right? Small device that brings big change. Thinkware dash cam U1000.